Hello, welcome to my channel. This tutorial is going to be a dress that I'm going to be making out of a t-shirt that I bought from the Weekend merch website. So if you're interested in seeing how I make this dress, then just keep on watching. So all you're going to need for this tutorial is some 1/4 eyelets, I'm going to use about 20 probably. And you're going to need an eyelet prior, some fabric scissors, a crayon or color pencil. I'm using a white color pencil. And some ribbon or string. I'm using about 3 yards, which I'll probably only use 1 yard. And then to get started, I just have the shirt right here. I have it flipped over in the back. But this is how the front looks. This is the front of the shirt. Right there. But the lace-up design that I'm going to be creating is going to be on the back of the shirt. So I can keep the design still showing on the back. So I'm going to lay the shirt down from the back. And then I already have a line here that I created with my colored pencil. So as you can see, down the center of the shirt by the collar, right here, I created a line down the middle, and how I created that is I folded the shirt into half evenly, and then whatever the middle was, I got my pencil and I drew a line in between. So that's how I create the even line through the middle, through the center of the shirt. And once you have that, you're going to be cutting out the collar, leaving the very trim of the collar still there. So I'm going to fold the shirt in half. So I'm getting my fabric scissors, and I'm going to be cutting out the collar line. Okay, so with the needle and thread, I'm going to be sewing this up. Okay, so now the collar is folded over and it's cut. Now from there, I'm going to cut a V going down to the center of this line that I created right here. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut the V out. And I'm going to be sewing this up, folding it over like this, making a fold, and then sewing up. And once you're done sewing up your shirt, it should look something like this. Now I'm going to start applying the grommets. And now that you've marked where the grommets are going to go, I'm going to grab the scissors and cut a hole and then put the grommets in and then secure it with the pliers.